Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in improving my knowledge and English only. Nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our first article. Cannot be forced to join government's portal. X tells Delhi High Court. X argued that it has its own portal to process legal requests. The Hindu Bureau, New Delhi. Social media platform X has informed the Delhi High Court that it cannot be compelled to come on board the Centre's Sahyog portal, which aim at creating a unified framework to combat cybercrime, arguing that X Corp has its own portal to process valid legal requests, pointing to the Supreme Court rulings in the Sharia Singla versus Union of India case. X argued that the Sanjog portal falls outside the statutory scheme of Section 69A of the IT Act, which empowered the government to order online platform to block information in specific circumstances. The portal would create a parallel mechanism to the existing mechanism under Section 69A of the IT Act, albeit without any procedure or safeguard. Thus, it is stated that S Corp cannot be compelled to come to the on the Sanjog portal. It said. During the hearing on March 18, Akhil Sibal, the senior counsel representing X, submitted that the Elon Musk on platform has also filed a petition before the Karnataka High Court challenging the Sahyog portal. That petition had termed the portal's censorship tool. Automating notices. The Sahyog portal is being developed by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs to automate the process of sending notices to intermediaries such as online platform to take down unlawful content its website. In the second phase, the portal's functioning will be extended to also send information requests from law enforcement agencies. The court was hearing a petition seeking to trace a missing boy in September last year. The court was informed that one of the leads found by the concerned investigating officer was that the boy had recently used his Instagram account. The court took the view in several such cases involving missing person. There appeared to be lag in receiving information from the concerned social media platform and other IT intermediaries, during which precious time is lost in tracing the missing person. It had then directed various intermediaries and other party to file their respective standard operating procedure along with details on how they deal with information record from law enforcement agencies. So far, 38 intermediaries intermediaries have already come on aboard the Sanjog portal, including Telegram, Apple, Google, LinkedIn, YouTube, Microsoft, Instagram, and WhatsApp. The court was informed. The court will hear X case on the issue on April 29. Now, this is our second article. India slaps Samsung with tax demand of $601 million. Reuters, New Delhi. Custom Authority have ordered consumer electronics major Samsung and its executive to pay $601 million. $1 is equal to 85 to 72 at current rupees at current rates, in which tax and penalty for dodging tariff on import of key telecoms equipment. A government order showed the demand represent a substantial chunk of last year's net profit of $955 million for Samsung in India, where it is one of the largest players in the consumer electronic and smartphone market. It can be challenged in a tax tribunals or the courts. The company, which also imports telecom equipment through its network division, received a warning in 2023 for misclassifying import to evade tariff of 10% or 20% on a critical transmission component used in mobile tower. Its imported and sold them to Reliance Jio. Samsung pushed India's tax authority to drop the scrutiny, saying the component did not attract tariff and official had known its classification practice for year, but custom authority disagreed in a confidential January 88 order that is not public but was reviewed by Reuters. Samsung violated Indian law and acknowledging and intentionally presented false document before the custom authority for clearance. Sonal Bajaj, a commissioner of custom, said in the order. Samsung was ordered to pay $520 million, consisting of unpaid taxes and a penalty of 100%. Seven Indian executives face fines of $81 million. The order showed. Now we start our national, international, short news, national, international, and sport. New cooperative registered in the past 2 years. 12,957. Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah said in Parliament that 12,957 new multi-purpose primary agriculture credit society and dairy and fishery cooperative society have been established across the country in the past 2 years. Number of tenements survived under the Dharawai project, 63 in 1000, in a significant milestone for the Dharawai redevelopment project. The ongoing survey has surpassed the scope of the last survey done in 2007 and 8 to map one of Asia's biggest slums residential and commercial structure. This survey has gone beyond the earlier benchmark. Number of taxpayers who have declared foreign assets, 30 in 1000. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that more than 30,000 taxpayers have revised their IT returns or filed belated return and declared additional foreign asset and income of about 30,300 rupee crore out of 19,501 taxpayers. A total of 11,162 taxpayers revised their return. Number of MLA suspended for 7 days by Odisha Assembly. 12 Odisha Assembly Speaker Surama Padhya on Tuesday suspended 12 Congress MLA for 7 days over indiscipline in the House. The action against the Congress legislator came after the House adopted the motions moved by Government Chief Whip Saroj Pradhan. Ragging related complaints in medical college in UP in 2024. 33 in the highest number of ragging related complaints in medical college in 2024 was reported in Uttar Pradesh with 33, followed by Bihar with 70, Rajasthan 15, and Madhya Pradesh 12. Madhya Pradesh with 12. Minister of State for Health Anupriya Patel said. Gaza City, journalists killed, evacuation call issued as Israel pursues Gaza war. The Israeli airstrike killed a journalist working with Al Jazeera, and the military issued fresh call to vacate parts of Gaza North as Israeli press is renewed bombardment and ground operation in the Palestinian territory. A monitor said that 2006 journalists and media workers has been killed since the start of the war. Jerusalem, Israel president is shocked that hostages are no longer top priority. Israel President Isaac Herzog said he was shocked that the issue of hostage being held by Palestinian militants in Gaza was no longer a top priority in the country, days after criticizing the government war policy. Of the 251 hostages taken by Hamas, 858 are still being held in Gaza, including 34 the Israeli military say are dead. Khartoum, at least 54 killed in an airstrike blamed on the military in Darfur. An airstrike blamed on said Sudanese military hit a local market in Sudan's western region, igniting a huge fire and killing at least 54 people. Aid groups said on Tuesday the military denied targeting civilians. The strike took place Monday in the village of Tora, north of Al Fashir, the capital city of North Darfur province. Tokyo. A court ordered the Unification Church in Japan dissolved. The Unification Church in Japan was ordered dissolved by a court after the government request spurred by the investigation into 2022 assassination of former PM Shinzo Abe. The court said the church problems were extensive and a discussion order is necessary because it is not likely it will voluntary reform. Natural growth. It is how T20 cricket has evolved. Dhoni about impact player rule. CSK talisman MS Dhoni was not quite convinced about the need for the impact player rule when it was introduced in the IPL, but now sees it as a part of the T20 cricket evolution. The number of runs being scored is not just because of an extra batsman, it's about the mindset. This is how T20 cricket has evolved, said Dhoni. Problem area: Pant needs to improve shoot selection against spin Raidu. Former Indian batter Amrit Raidu has criticized LSG's keep Rishabh Pant's shot selection against spin. He is going for that sixth option rather than playing for a four. You know, to build an innings play in the gap, especially in the middle over. Raidu told ESPN Screen 4. Pant fell for a duck to Kuldeep Yadav on Monday. Fire in the valley, lots of life left, but capital will be the final IPL team du Plessis. Lot of life left in the old dog. South Africa veteran F. du Plessis said after DC nail-beating wins over LSCG on Monday. New team, new challenges for me. Moving from Chennai to RCB was a really good chapter. Now the last chapter of the book, for however long the pages may be, will be with the new team. No big deal. Arun not bothered about Russell and Rinku's failure in opening game. Bowling coach Bharat Arun was not bothered about Russell and Rinku Singh not contributing much in KKR's IPL openers against RCB. I think it must be weighing weighing on his Russell's mind that he failed last game and he is out to prove every single game. Rinku has batted beautiful in the games leading up to the tournament, said Arjun. Now we start our daily English practice session. Now your English. K. Subramaniam Upendra. So we are not really sure if you are moving. You see, the agent has not called us back as yet. So you are going to a new house is still iffy. Iffy, what do you mean by that? When you are iffy about something, you are uncertain about whether you are going to do it or not. For example, my getting married next year is still iffy right now. You were planning to get married next year. I don't know that. That was just an example. Here's another. If you ask me if I was going to play tennis this evening, I could replay. I am bit iffy about it right now, meaning you are not sure if you are going to play or not. That's correct. Can I say Sarita is still iffy about becoming a nuclear physicist? Sure you can. What do you know about nuclear physics? Nuclear physics, it is closed book to me. A closed book meaning I do not know anything about it. I see it is okay to say the killer's early life is closed book. Yes it is, but not everything need to be closed book. For example, the moon is no longer a closed book. We have long landed on it so many times. I guess it is longer a closed book. You know something, I have always dreamed about landing on the moon. Then why don't you wait a minute? It's dream about to landing on the moon or dream of landing on the moon. Both are correct. You can dream about becoming an astronaut or dream of becoming an astronaut. There is no difference between the two, but I dream become a cosmonaut. As far as I know, there is no difference between the cosmonaut and an astronaut. The Russians call the men who fly into space cosmonauts, and the Americans call them astronauts. In that case, I think I prefer to be called Lorna Note, published in the Hindu on November 21, 1995. This is our today quiz. 16 years after being cancelled, the BBC sci-fi series Doctor Who returned to television. What a new episode on March 26, 2005. Here is a quiz on the show. Quiz made by Sindhu Nagaraj. Question number 4. Before the current series started from 2005, for how many years did the show run after it was first created? Question number 2. What is the name of the time traveling spaceship the Doctor travels in? Question number 3. Many actors have had the lines the series as the Doctor. The transition from the actor to another is written into the plot of the series with the concept of regenerations into a new incarnation. The Doctor can also change ethnicity or gender. Which actor became the first female Doctor and which actor became the first black Doctor? Question number 4. The Doctor belonged to which fictional ancient race of terrestrial people? Question number 5. What is the name of the planet in the fictional constellations of Castor Boreas, which is the land of the Doctor? Visual question. Identify the fictional extraterrestrial race present behind the actors in the image. Question and answer to the previous day delegate. The American athlete announced his retirement in 98-93 but came after this. Two world press release. Mitchell Jordan, I am back. Name the Pakistan cricketer who announced conditional retirement in 2011. Shahid Afridi. Name the more Democratic Olympian who announced retirement 2012. Mitchell Phillips. This Brazilian fullback announced his retirement in 2012 but returned to the field for brief stint with this Indian Super League team. Roberto Carlos, Delhi Dynamos. This tennis player with 80 single Grand Slam title retired in 1994. Martin Navratilova. Visual question. This Formula One racer come back from the near fatal injury to finish the season second. 1976 Niki Lauda. This is early bird who give the answer. So guys, please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Thanks for watching. We meet you tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.